Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to give access to Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Google Drive is a great tool for a variety of collaborative projects as it allows people to view, download, and edit files directly. It ensures everyone has the most up-to-date version of the file without having to download it onto your computer, edit it, then send around update copies. You can create an organized Word document, spreadsheet, and slideshow as well as upload photo and audio and video files. So how to do it if you want to give access on your Google Drive files link so anyone can edit on the files or the folder. It's a simple. I will show you first. Here's the link before we give it access to others. You need to request access. But how to give access to this link, it's so simple. So first we can open our drive. Now you can just tap on the folder or file that you've just made and you want to give access. Here, three dots. There is an option manage access. You can just tap on that. By default, it's set to restricted, so only people edit can open with the link. You can change by tap on here, tap on restricted. Now you can choose on anyone with the link. So now anyone with the link can open this link, the Google Drive link. You can also change the settings of viewer, commenter, or editor. If you choose commenter, anyone on this internet with the link can view and comment on the files, or you can choose editor. So anyone on the internet with this link can edit the files. Now I will try to share this link again. Let's open with other email. Here's the new link. Let's open. And now, as you can see, we can open this link and also we can edit this link files. It's so simple, right? So that is how to give access on Google Drive link. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.